So I just received my new DJI Mini 4 Pro, and I'm excited to open it up. I got it from Amazon, and so let's see what we get in the package. This is the Mini 4 Pro Fly More series. Bought this in Canada because that's where I live, and it has the 3 batteries, the fancy controller, and well, let's just see what we get. So, okay, there's a cellophane pack, so we'll just carefully open up. Now I can't return it. Well, maybe I can't. Okay, so it's mine now. Okay, let's get that box open. Okay, let's cut that plastic away. There we go. Okay, she comes. Okay. That's gone. More plastic. It's gone. Good. Okay, now let's see. Open the lid. There we go. DJI Fly App Video Tutorial User Manual. Scan me. Okay, got to scan that thing. Okay, wow, it comes with a nice little case. I didn't realize it comes with such a nice case. Okay, so it's got some plastic on there, so we'll get rid of that plastic. Fantastic. Okay, what does this say? It's in Chinese. I can't read that. And the print's way too small, so I haven't a clue what this says. So, who knows? I will slice that off because don't. There we go. Off that goes. We'll throw it in the box there. And that goes in there. Let's see. Okay. So, unzip it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, well, looks like we get a lot of stuff. Here's my controller. Hey, wow. Now that's fancy plastic they packaged it in. That is some fancy plastic. So let's see. I'm gonna open up. There we go. Okay. There's the controller. Well, oh, guess that's the way it goes. That's kind of nice, isn't it? Look at that. Ow. Well, this is obviously the battery pack. Now, there we go. Okay, so there's 2 batteries here. 1, 2. That. And, oops. That was my computer stalling out. Okay, so what else do we have? We have, holy cow, there's the thing itself. And this is surprisingly, I heard it's small, but it is small. Look at that. Okay, so looks like it's got some kind of lens cover on it. Okay, carefully take that off. Oh, there's the lens cover. Okay, it's got all sorts of little plastic things that remove the foam and the sticker before use. Well, that seems like a good suggestion. Now this. Okay, wow, that's like loosey-goosey there, right? Look at that. Okay, they just hold the little blades in place. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. Well, that sounds like good advice to me. Okay, so that is what you get. Okay, any other goodies that get inside of here? Okay, let's see. So, I'm surprised. It's a rather nice little case. Good. It's got another one of these tags on it. What's that tag say? Accessories inside. Oh boy, more stuff, more toys. Okay, so let's see what kind of toys we got in here. We have the start guide. Okay, to-do. Okay. Light Cut app, DJI recommended video editing app. Oh, okay. Well, I'm using a new program to me known as Davinci Resolve 18.6. Just learned how to use that, so I quite like that. I don't know why I'd need this light cut app, but whatever. Okay, free app. Drone information notice. Oh, these are all the legal mumbo jumbo. Of course, it's in super fine print. Probably, what is it? Oh, this is that usual waste of paper. It just tells you that you have to throw this thing out in a special way. Instructions, these are for use that tend to apply C1 labels on the aircraft. I don't know what a C1 label is, so I'm going to have to learn about that. What else we got? Quick start guide. Oh, that's a good thing to have. Oh, well, that's in Chinese. Oh, there's something in English. Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. Well, that is more good advice. Now, it doesn't come with a charger. It comes with the charger holder doohickey, and it goes, well, look at that. There's your in, so that's a USB-C. I hear you need to use a fairly good charger, like 30 watts, and I just so happen to have a 30-watt charger already, so I didn't buy one. Mine came with my my Triple Tech 9 tablet, which is the world's brightest tablet, and I bought that for my boat, really. Apparently, a lot of drone pilots use that, so I can charge in there using that extra heavy-duty charger, the 2 batteries, and I assume there's there's another battery in here. You can see it right there. So that's the 3rd battery. So we're gonna have to get all those batteries charged up. There we look like we got another charging port for this. C1, C2. But it's got little, oh, look at that. These are little things that you put on right here, right? So that looks pretty obvious. Pull that out. And then we just screw them on like that. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. We just screw those on like that. There we go. Take another one. I used to fly radio-controlled airplanes back when I was like 15 years old. And our controllers were a little bit bigger. You didn't fly with your, this looks like you fly with your thumbs. However, back in the day, I heard that you fly more like this, and you have a little bit more control over your controls than being a thumb guy. I don't know. How accurate are your thumbs compared to this kind of motion? Well, that's something we're going to have to learn. Anyway, I can't think of anything else. This is looking like this is going to be a really fun toy for me to play with. And it's really expensive. So the next thing I'm going to do after I shut the camera off is get my batteries charged up. I'm going to register all this stuff online with DJI. Also, they have some kind of flyaway insurance plan. So apparently you have to do that within 48 hours of activating your drone. So I will look into getting that all done. That way, when I crash my drone or flies off into Lake Ontario, I only pay a few $100. I think it's a couple $100 to get a new drone, or maybe $70 to get it repaired. So it sounds like it's a good plan, because I probably will crash and lose this thing. Just being realistic. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I will continue to do some more videos as I become more familiar with this new toy, and hopefully we can get some great footage for my my sailing channel, and we will see you in the next video.